Put ginger around your knees and you'll solve a big problem you've been dealing with for far too long. Most people search endlessly for relief and never find anything that truly works. But this natural DIY remedy can change everything for you. Let's begin. Grab a medium piece of fresh ginger. Using a peeler, remove all the skin until it's completely clean. This is exactly how we need it. Then slice it into small pieces just like you see in the video. Cutting it this way helps release the full power hidden inside this miracle ingredient. Ginger has been used for centuries, and what it can do when properly prepared is unbelievable. Now let's move to the second ingredient, garlic. Take a whole head of garlic and start cutting it into small cubes. Don't remove the skin. The garlic skin is incredibly powerful, and most people throw it away without realizing how beneficial it truly is. Today we need every part of it. Once it's chopped, set it aside. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next, grab a fresh onion. Any color works, red or white. Slice it into rings exactly as shown in the video. When onion is combined with ginger and garlic, their benefits multiply. Together, they form one of the strongest natural combinations you can prepare at home. And soon you'll understand why this mixture is so famous. Now get a large container with a lid. This part is very important. Start layering the ingredients. Ginger on the bottom, garlic on top of that, and finally the onion rings. It might look like a lot, but when these ingredients work together, they create something extremely powerful that help reduce inflammation, increase circulation, and relax tense areas. Once layered, take extra virgin olive oil and pour it into the container until all the ingredients are completely covered. Olive oil helps extract every benefit from the ginger, garlic, and onion, allowing them to combine into what many people call a golden healing blend. Close the lid tightly. We're not done yet. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now place a towel at the bottom of a medium saucepan. Put the closed container in the center and place another towel around it. This towel method keeps the glass safe and prevents direct contact with heat. Next, pour in 4 cups of water, enough to cover the towel but not the lid of the container. This creates a gentle steam bath that slowly warms the mixture without cooking it. Turn on the heat and let it warm for a few minutes. This gentle process releases the active compounds from each ingredient into the oil. Once it's ready, carefully remove the container from the pan. Open it and strain everything into a bowl, pressing well to extract every drop of this golden liquid. You can keep the solids if you want, but I prefer using only the pure oil. You're probably anxious to know what this is actually for, so let's get there. This is known as golden miracle oil. Once it's ready, carefully remove the container from the pan. Open it and strain everything into a bowl, pressing well to extract every drop of this golden liquid. You can keep the solids if you want, but I prefer using only the pure oil. You're probably anxious to know what this is actually for, so let's get there. This is known as golden miracle oil. The combination of ginger, garlic, onion, and olive oil creates a natural, pain-relieving formula that works with surprising speed. Apply this oil directly to areas where you feel pain, knees, hands, back, shoulders, or anywhere discomfort appears. Massage gently and let the oil absorb. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video with friends and family who need natural relief. This remedy has helped countless people, and now it's your turn to experience the difference.